Hello everyone, this is Anand Ranjan, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Application, Babu Banarsidas University, Lucknow. Welcome you all in the video lecture series of digital electronics. In this video, we'll talk about the 5 variable K-map.
Hint है regarding pattern के for example my board is visual.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, for example if I am choosing 4 variable, let's say w, x and y and z here, and if I'm making one quad at the center, okay, and there are lot of other options also, and these options are, let's say this is 1 1 1 1. So with this corner you also create one quad. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And if I take 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, so these horizontal and vertical quad are also there. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I trying to convey you is, for example, if you have w, x, y, and z, these are 3. So whenever this means, of course you can fill this 0 0 0 1 1 and all. Let me fill it. For example, this is 0 0, this is 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, or w bar x bar, w bar x, wx, wx bar, this is y bar z bar, y bar z, yz, yz bar. Okay. So for example, if you have this center quad, okay, so in the center quad, what is interesting pattern you can have, that 2 variable which is going to be eliminated here is what? It is w, it is w, yes, which is going to be eliminated, w and z.
Y.
Huh?
W and Z, sir. Yes, sir.
W and y.
Jet.
So what you will get at after simplifying it?
X Z
X X
Z.
Z. Okay. Z. Somehow this is equivalent to the minterms. The minterms. What minterms? 5, 7, 13, and 15. Let me also write these minterms at the corner. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay. So if a squad is formed at the center, okay, if a squad is formed at the center, then two variables w and w and y is eliminated.
Limited.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
every time whenever the quad is going to be implemented in a four variable case, these two will be eliminated. These two will be eliminated. Means next time, if you have w, x, y, and z, if you have w, x, y, and z, and you are trying to make a quad at the corner. So corner quad, what is going to be eliminated? What is going to be eliminated? Here you will have x bar, here you will have x bar, and here you will have z bar.
Z bar.
Yes. So this is
Yes.
x bar, and this is
Z bar.
z bar. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So again, what is interesting result? What you will get? This is some means the minterm 0. This is 2. This is 8, and this is 10.
10.
Okay.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर
Yes,
एक बार
sir.
फिर
Yes,
से
sir.
समझा दीजिए आया नहीं
Now,
सर एक बार रिपीट कर
see
दीजिए
what I am trying to say. If you have a four variable case, okay, is a four variable case, and if you are trying to make a quad, so these are the all possible quad which you can form inside the four variable K map. Okay, in which the first is at the center, second is at the corner, and third one is either the vertical or the horizontal quad. So in all the both cases, we have a very interesting pattern. For example, if we have a center quad, then the center quad will be give you a simplified x z term. Okay, x z term. And if you are making a corner quad, then you will have a x bar z bar term. Okay, x bar z bar term. For example, if you are making a vertical quad means this term. Okay, vertical quad means this term. Okay, so in this term, what after simplification, what you will get?
X bar. X
Z.
bar.
X bar
Z.
z, x bar z,
Z.
x bar z, and this is equivalent to 1, 3, 9, and 11. Okay, and if you have the horizontal quad, then tell me what you will get. Mean this
X.
is x and
Uh,
z bar.
Z bar.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
यस
So
सर
this is equivalent to your 4, 6, 12, and what?
14.
So what I'm trying to say that this pattern is quite interesting. Okay, this pattern is quite interesting, and you can see that whenever you make a quad, then you will have this thing. Okay. So this is just additional information which you keep with yourself. Then means sometimes in your objective kind of question, this can be asked that which of the following make a quad in a 4-variable group. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing which you should have to keep with. Now, so before to move further, let's discuss here also the 5-variable K-map. Okay. So SOP, POS, 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, or variable we have discussed. Let's discuss the 5-variable K-map also. Five-variable K-map. Okay. So of course, as we can with 5-variable, how many combinations we can have?
32.
2
32.
to power 5.
32.
32.
Means just give you a revision here. Means if you have the number of variables and number of cells in Karnaugh map. For example, if you have 2 variable, then how many cells are there in K-map? 4. If you have 3 variable, then you have
8.
8 cell K-map. You have 4. Then how
16.
many you have?
16.
Huh? 16 we have seen. So
16.
similarly, if we have 5 variable, then how many cells will
32.
be there in
32.
32.
32?
2.
Okay. So uh, now to the up to here, mean up to 4 variable, it is quite easy to visualize the thing in K-map. But when we have this 5-variable K-map, then this case, this fifth case, will use two maps. This will be used 2 maps to replicate or to represent all the 32 variables. So how to do that means, of course, when you are going to write, the these 32 minterms. Okay, and the 32 minterms means, of course, these minterms will start from where? This will start from all 5 zeros. Yes. Hello. All 5 zeros
Yes,
to
sir.
all 5 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let me again try to explain you in this way. If you choose 5 variable like W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so these are my 5 variables. So with these 5 variables, I will have a sequence of all these combinations which I am writing over here. These are all 32 combinations which will start from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And just I have given you one short trick to write this that says means the first is alternate 0, then 2 0, 2 zeros, then 4, then 8, and then 16. Okay, then 16. 16 0. So can we write 16 0 here? Let me try to write this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my god, एक कम पड़ गया. Okay, just wait. Take this also. Okay. Right. And take this a little bit more here. Okay. So कितने जीरो हो गए हैं so far? 16
15, 16.
है ना. उसके बाद वाले यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. Let's take this in this way. तो ये 16 जीरो हो गए. उसके बाद क्या आएंगे? 16 1 आएंगे.
Yes, sir.
यस.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो 1 1 यहाँ पे लिख लिया जाए. तो 1 1 ये नीचे ही है इसके बाद, लेकिन चूंकि वो हो जा रहा है ना, तो इस वजह से हम ओके. उसके बाद 8 8 0 8 8 1 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. उसके बाद फिर 0 0
Copy कर दीजिएगा.
4 8. ठीक है भाई, कहीं गलती कर रहा हूँ तो बता देना. 4 ओके.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. लेट मी डू समथिंग. And okay. So of course you can name it also, yeah. For example, if you want to write the decimal equivalent, then this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. All right. So up to here, I think we do not have any problem. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is another very interesting pattern you can see. If I want to show you, like mm, what I'm trying to say that just concentrate on what I am trying to insert, means encompassing in the red box. These terms and these terms. These terms are same. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
If you concentrate, then WXYZ here and WXYZ here in these 16 combinations are same, except this V term. Okay, except this V term. What we can say that here V term is either here all V terms are 0. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
And here all V terms are 1.
One.
Okay, so what we can say that this 0, this so to draw the 16 variable K map, this thing need to be understand very carefully. Okay, because what I am trying to say, these two are same. These are same, but only difference is in V. Okay, the only difference is in V. So what I am going to do, I am going to draw the two. I am going to draw the two 4 variable K map, 4 variable K map, in which the first variable will represent the 4 variable with all V zeros, and the second 4 variable will represent the all 16 combination with V is equal to 1. V is equal to 1. Okay, so let me draw in this way. So this is, I'm taking first, this is uh, this is W X, here you will have Y Z. Better. Okay. And और मेरे पास ऐसी all right, so yes, of course, these are can be written as W bar X bar. This is W bar X. This is W X, and this is W X bar. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
This
sir.
is Y bar Z bar. This is your Y bar Z, and this is your Y Z, and this is your
YZ.
Y and
Z bar.
Z bar. And yes, that's perfect. So now this in this K map, okay, just try to understand. In this, let me draw one more thing along with this. This let me take here. This is control. This is control. Okay. Right. So this first K map. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this first K map I'll choose. This first K map I will choose to fill all these 16 combinations. These 16 combinations where V is equal to 0. Where V is equal to 0. So here V is equal to 0 map I can say. This is V is equal to 0 map I can say. And this is V is equal to 1 map. This is V is equal to 1 map. Okay. So now what I can how I am going to fill all these 32 terms inside this map in this way. Just carefully listen this. Okay. So how I'm going to map it like. So if you remember this first cell. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Zero.
sir. Yes, sir.
So if you
Yes, sir.
remember
Yes, sir.
first cell. So in this first cell, along with this 0, along with this V0, the first cell is all 5 zeros. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
cell
sir.
is equivalent to
Yes, sir.
because you have chosen V is equal to 0, and with this what you are having 0 0 0 0 all 5 zeros. Yes.
नॉइज बहुत आ रही
हैदर
है
माइक अपना म्यूट करो.
हैदर माइक बंद कर लो अपना. आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ
हैदर
रही है.
अली. सर म्यूट कर दीजिए आप इसका माइक.
I can remove him only.
सर म्यूट कर दीजिए.
म्यूट का ऑप्शन मेरे पास पता नहीं होता है कि नहीं.
सर होता है, आप होस्ट होगा आपके पास.
नहीं है इसमें, है ना. You cannot remove participant भी आ रहा है. Okay.
सर कर दिया म्यूट हैदर को.
Okay.
सर बताइए, हो गया म्यूट.
तो समझ गए ना, ये पहले वाले में क्या हुआ कि V को लेको 0 और बाकी तो सारे 0 0 हैं. या और भी इसको थोड़ा सा अगर आप चाहें तो आप ये मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है, आप उसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं और डिटेलिंग यहाँ कर सकते हैं. लाइक दिस इज योर 0 0, दिस इज 0 1, दिस इज 1 1 and this is 1 0. Similarly here you have 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So just want to just give you an insight that this first cell is what, b is equal to 0 and remaining row and column wise all 4 zeros. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is equivalent to the first term. This is the first term. This is equivalent to this first term. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I can write inside is, if I am writing the decimal equivalent here, so at the corner what I am going to write, this is decimal equivalent 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And similarly, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now see, this is what you will get here. You will get v is equal to 1. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V is equal to 1 and row and column wise 0 0 0 0. So this K-map will start from where? 16 na?
16. Yes, sir.
16. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 16.
So what you can write here? This is
16.
16,
17.
17,
19.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
सर 18 19 रहेगा
17,
कॉर्नर पे 18 आएगा
सर 19 वहाँ पे 18 आएगा 19 यहाँ पे लिखा है
19 की जगह पे
हेलो सर
16,
हाँ,
16, 17, 16, यहाँ 18 आएगा ना?
जी जी सर
यस सर
18, 19, 20,
21
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay.
यस सर
Okay.
यस सर
सर
So this is your 5 variable K-map. Okay. This is your 5 variable K-map. So in this 5 variable K-map, the grouping is also very interesting. Okay. The grouping is also very interesting because there are two things. Two things are, if you make a quad in this, okay, if you make a quad in this, and at the same time a quad is also there at the center, then you have to overlap these two maps together to find the ultimate term for the simplification. Okay, ultimate term for the simplification. Let's try to understand with the help of one example. But before that, let's write few points in this context, in which number 1, these are the note point. Let's say note that the variable v distinguish between the two maps, and the second important thing is a cell in V is equal to 0 map, V is equal to 0 map is adjacent, adjacent to the corresponding cell in V is equal to 1. See what I'm trying to say? If you observe, hello, if you observe this 0 and 16, hello,
Yes, sir.
this 0 and 16, these two cells are adjacent cell. Why adjacent cell? Because if you observe, there is only 1 bit difference. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you choose 4 and 20, 4 and 20, these two cells are also adjacent cell.
Yes, sir.
If you choose 8 and 24, adjacent cell. If you choose 10 and 26, these all cells are adjacent cell just because they are following the gray code property, and according to the gray code property, the next cell is just 1 bit difference only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So now
Yes, sir.
let's take one example and try to simplify it with the 4 variable k-map. And let me see whether we have. Okay, so let's take this example. F A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E. Okay, so here we have variables, and you have to simplify it using the k-map, and the expressions is written in a compact form in M notation like this. This is 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 6, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 21, 25, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Okay, 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 21, 25, 27, 29, 31. Okay, so this is given to you and you are supposed to simplify it. So how to do that? Okay, so let me go on the previous one, and I'm trying to take this. आया नहीं सही से. All right, so this, so from the given problem, it is clear that this is a five variable case, and with five variable case, you will first draw this 16 variable K map. Okay, so far I think we do not have any problem. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ तक तो किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं
No, sir.
है ना? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो अभी बताएं.
No, sir.
No, sir.
अब जो यहाँ पर नंबर दिए हैं आप उसको यहाँ पे फिल कर लीजिए. ठीक है, तो कौन कौन से दिए हुए हैं? 0, 2, 4,
6,
6,
9,
then 9,
11,
11,
13,
सर रोल नंबर 9
13.
15.
अरे ये क्या हुआ? रोल नंबर 9. कौन सा रोल नंबर 9?
सर प्रेजेंट
मैं एब्सेंट माइंडेड बच्चा है।
सर रोल नंबर 2
Sir, yes, madam.
सर रोल नंबर 2 प्रेजेंट
Okay, roll number 9, your presence has been recorded. No problem.
हेलो
But we are not we are not calling for the test call. We are not calling for attendance. We are discussing something a little bit interesting thing in five variable K map. So look at my screen is visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर यस सर
So I fill 9, then 11, after that 13, then 15,
17,
after 15, 17.
21,
Where is 17? This is 17. Then
21,
21,
1,
21,
25,
and
25,
25. Where is 25? Where is 25? Here we have 25. Then 27, 29, and 31.
31.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, we fill all the minterms given in the unsimplified Boolean expressions. Okay. So far, any problem? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई दिक्कत?
No, sir.
No, sir.
नो सर
No, sir.
नो सर
तो सबसे पहले वही जो अपने हमें ग्रुप देखने, हम अपने ग्रुप बनाते हैं. तो सबसे पहला ग्रुप कहाँ पे बन रहा है? एक क्वाड बन रहा है इसमें, यहाँ पर है ना? ये क्वाड बन रहा है.
सर बड़े वाले को लें पहले, जो 4 का बन रहा है हमारा. ये 13, 15, 9, 11.
हाँ, इसको भी बना सकते हो. ये भी क्वाड है, ये भी क्वाड है, तो दोनों ही बड़े
First
हैं.
वाले में 2 quad.
सर पर
आप
ये
यहाँ पे इसको क्वाड देख सकते हो ना.
ये हो जाएगा
हाँ, पहले मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनिए. पहले आपने ये जो ऊपर वाला क्वाड बनाया है 0, 4 and 2, 6 का, ठीक है? 0, 4, 2, 6 का. जब आप इस 5 वेरिएबल में एक चीज इंटरेस्टिंग है, जब भी आप किसी एक मैप के अंदर कोई भी ग्रुपिंग करते हैं, तो पैरेलली में भी चेक करते हैं कि कहीं उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग पोजीशन पे, यानी 0 का करस्पॉन्डिंग 16, 4 का करस्पॉन्डिंग 20, 2 का करस्पॉन्डिंग 18, 6 का 22, यहाँ पर भी तो कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है. और अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप उसी वेरिएबल में उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. जैसे पहले मैप में ये पहला क्वाड बना 0, 4 and 2, 6 का, तो उसको जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये आपको क्या मिलेगा? कौन बताएगा? पहली तो ये कि ये किसके अंदर बना है? v is equal to जीरो के टर्म में,
यस
v इज इक्वल टू जीरो वाले में, तो इसलिए हम इसको क्या कहेंगे, v बार। इसको हम क्या कहेंगे,
वी
v
बार
बार।
एक्स बार
इसको हम क्या कहेंगे,
वी बार एक्स बार जेड बार।
तो ये हो गया हमारा v बार। उसके बाद देखेंगे रो और कॉलम में क्या कॉमन है, तो रो में क्या कॉमन है,
डब्लू बार
w बार,
डब्ल्यू
w
बार
बार। और यहाँ पर क्वाड यहाँ पर बना, और एक क्वाड बना है हमारा यहाँ पर, एक क्वाड हमारा बना है यहाँ पर, ठीक है। लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंगली क्या है कि ये क्वाड हमारा, एक क्वाड हमारा बना है v बार जीरो में, और एक बना है v इज इक्वल टू 1 में। यस
यस सर
यस,
यस सर
इसका मतलब है कि v दोनों
Yes,
में
sir.
कॉमन है ना। अगर v अब दोनों में कॉमन है तो केवल अब रो एंड कॉलम वाइज आप इसको देख लो, ये दोनों में कॉमन है। तो इस ग्रुप को जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये क्या आएगा आपका W, और यहां से क्या मिलेगा आपको Z। ये हो गया आपका W और Z, ठीक है।
सर यहाँ पे बट जीरो का वी बार है यहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे वी है, तो वी बार और वी में वी कैसे कॉमन हो गया ओनली?
बट ये दोनों में कॉमन है ना, ये दोनों में कॉमन है ना, v इज इक्वल टू v बार इज इक्वल टू जीरो में भी है, और v इज इक्वल टू 1 में भी है ना।
हाँ सर ये वो तो कॉमन है, लेकिन ये आगे वाला जो वी वाला टर्म है वो नहीं लिखा जाएगा क्या यहाँ पे, वी बार और वी जो लिखा है?
तो लिखा जाएगा जब जब ये दोनों जो मैप है, दोनों में जो चीज कॉमन होती है उसको हम कहाँ लिखते हैं,
नहीं सर,
है ना?
मेरे कहने का मतलब है वी बार और वी में तो कोई कॉमन नहीं है ना, मतलब आई मीन जैसे कि
नहीं
यहाँ
नहीं, इसको एक्चुअली इसको इस तरह से देखा जाता है कि इस पूरे के पूरे मैप को उठा के आप पहले वाले मैप के ऊपर रख दो, बात समझिए। तो जब आप इस पूरे के इस पूरे मैप को, ये जो पूरा मैप है ये वाला, इस पूरे मैप को उठा के इसके ऊपर रख दोगे तो आप देखोगे कि ये जो ग्रुप बना है वो इसी ग्रुप के ऊपर सुपर इम्पोज हो रहा है।
यस सर
यस,
यस सर
यस सर
और जब सुपर इम्पोज हो रहा है तो बेसिकली तो ये 4 सेल ये हो गई और 4 सेल ये हो गई, तो ये क्या बनाई आपस में, आप ध्यान से समझिए इस कॉन्सेप्ट को। 4 और 4 कितना हो गया, 8
ऑक्टेट
यस सर
ऑक्टेट। और ऑक्टेट में कितने वेरिएबल एलिमिनेट होते हैं,
3
3। और यहाँ पे कितने वेरिएबल, डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड, देखिए सिंप्लीफाइड करके क्या 3 वेरिएबल एलिमिनेट हुए कि नहीं हुए इसमें?
यस सर
Yes, sir. Point or not? So, although it is look like a quad individually, but if you overlap, if you superimpose over it, then these are the not 4 adjacent cell, but these are the 8 adjacent cell, which make a octet, and in that case, it eliminate 3 variables. Okay, and just because this is common to both the map, so we are not considering v is equal to 0, v is equal to 1. This term will be eliminated, and similarly row and column wise what you will get, w and z. Okay,
यस सर
okay. And
Okay.
finally if you observe this thing, there is one more, yeah.
Yeah.
There is one more quad, which is this quad. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which is
Yes, sir.
and this quad is again, if you superimpose over it, there is no corresponding quad in this, so you will have to write it in isolation along with the v term. So what is this? This will be your v. This will be your v, y bar
Z
and
Z
v, y bar and z. So after this you will get a simplified expression, y is equal to v bar w bar z bar plus w z plus v y bar and z. Okay, so this is your answer. See, just remember, try to imagine this is a long, huge, big expression which consists of lot of terms. And when you use the K-map, then you will get a very simplified Boolean expression. And of course, the output which you will get from this Boolean expression, which is given you in an unsimplified text way, the same you will get with this. But what is the advantage? The advantage is that if you implement it, it requires less number of gates, less number of digital hardware components compared to this one.